Go to therapy and get back to work's Sunak and ministers crack down on sick note cultures. Go good easy. Does he not realize how hard that is under a crumbling NH? If you cut the NH and mental health care enough, there won't be enough access to doctors to sign any sick notes, tapping head Mimi. His father-in-law preaches that the current youth are lazy and should be working 70 hours a week. Sunak must be the best son-in-law in his eyes. Cracked down on tax avoidance and other financial shenanigans of the moneyed elite, you unelected parasite.